Hi. Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Do you
Let's
understand
work on it together.
Are you heading to Professor Miller's lecture?
Yeah, it starts in about 10 minutes.
Did you finish the assigned reading?
Most of it, but the last section was difficult.
Want to go over it before class?
Sure, that would help.
Have you taken Professor Adams's class before?
Yeah, I took it last semester.
Is he a tough grader?
A little, but he's fair.
Does he give much homework?
Quite a bit, actually. Have you considered studying abroad next year?
Yeah, I'm looking into several programs.
Which country are you leaning toward?
Probably Australia.
Have you checked the requirements?
I'm going through them now.
Want to study together for the midterm?
Sure, when are you free?
Would Wednesday afternoon work?
Yeah, after my last class.
Should we meet at the library?
Perfect, I'll see you there.
Are you doing anything this weekend?
Nothing planned so far.
Want to check out the campus festival?
Yeah, I've been meaning to go.
Should we invite the others?
Definitely, the more the better. Have you checked your exam result?
Yeah, I did better than expected.
Were you happy with your grade?
Definitely, considering how difficult it was.
Did you pass every section?
Fortunately, yes.
Did you take notes during today's lecture?
Yeah, pretty detailed ones.
Could you share them with me later?
Sure, I'll send you a copy.
Did the professor mention the exam?
Yes, briefly at the end. Have you eaten at the cafeteria today?
Not yet. Is anything good?
Have you tried their new pasta?
No, but I've heard it's decent.
Want to grab lunch together?
Sure, I'm starving.
Are you graduating this semester?
Hopefully, if everything goes according to plan.
Have you completed all your credits?
I still need one more course.
Are you looking forward to graduating?
Absolutely, but I'll miss campus life.
What are you planning to do after graduation?
I'm hoping to work in finance.
Have you started applying for jobs?
Yeah, I've sent out several applications.
Have you heard back from anyone?
Not yet, but it's still early. Do you happen to have a spare charger?
Yeah, I think there's one in my bag.
Would you mind if I borrowed it?
Not at all.
Do you need it back soon?
No, take your time. Do students get a discount at that bookstore?
Yeah, it's around 15%.
Do we need to show our student ID?
Yes, every time.
Does it apply to textbooks too?
As far as I know, yes.
Did you hear today's lecture was canceled?
Yeah, the professor emailed us.
Did he mention the reason?
Apparently, he's feeling unwell.
Will the class be rescheduled?
Probably sometime next week. Does attendance count toward our grade?
Yes, I think it's 10%.
Have you missed many classes?
Only one so far.
Do we need to explain absences?
Only if we miss several classes. Have you chosen your electives yet?
I'm still deciding between two courses.
Which one seems more interesting?
Probably digital marketing.
Does it fit your schedule?
Luckily, it does.
Have we divided up the project tasks yet?
Not completely.
We still need to assign the research.
Would you like me to handle that part?
That would be really helpful. When should we meet again?
How about Thursday afternoon?
Are you still applying for internships?
Yes, I've applied to 3 companies.
Have you heard back from any of them?
One invited me for an interview.
Are you nervous about it?
A little, but mostly excited.
Were you in yesterday's lecture?
Yeah, why did you miss it?
Was anything important covered?
Mostly material for the midterm.
Could you send me your notes?
Sure, I'll send them tonight. Do you know how to use this printer?
Yeah, you need your student card.
Can I print double-sided?
Sure, change it in the settings.
Is there a printing fee?
Only a few cents per page.
Has Ryan finished his part of the project?
Not yet, he's running behind.
Should we remind him about the deadline?
Yeah, probably.
Do you think he'll finish tonight?
Hopefully, but I'm not sure. When is the research paper due?
By midnight this Friday.
Have you made much progress?
I'm about halfway done.
Think you'll finish on time?
I should if I stay focused. Have you settled on a research topic yet?
I'm considering social media behavior.
Is there enough research available?
There seems to be plenty.
Have you narrowed it down?
Not quite, I'm still working on it. Are you applying for that scholarship?
Yeah, I'm working on the application.
When's the deadline?
At the end of this month.
Do you meet all the requirements?
I believe so.
Has the campus Wi-Fi been slow today?
Yeah, mine keeps disconnecting.
Have you tried another network?
Not yet. Is there one?
Want me to show you?
Yeah, that'd be great. How are you finding this statistics course?
Honestly, it's tougher than I expected.
Which part are you struggling with?
Mostly the probability section.
Have you considered joining the study group?
Yeah, I probably should. Have you started the economics assignment yet?
Yes, but I'm only halfway through.
Are you finding it difficult?
The final question is pretty challenging.
Want to work on it together?
Absolutely, let's meet later.
Are you ready for the presentation?
Mostly, but I'm still a bit nervous.
Have you practiced your part?
Yeah, several times.
Want to run through it once more?
Definitely, just to be safe.
How are you preparing for tomorrow's exam?
I'm reviewing the lecture notes.
Have you gone through the practice questions?
Not all of them yet.
Should we review them together?
That's probably a good idea.
Are you planning to study here all afternoon?
Probably until around 5.
Mind if I join you?
Not at all.
Should we find somewhere quieter?
The second floor is usually better. Are you thinking of joining any clubs?
Maybe the photography club?
Have you been to one of their meetings?
Have you been to one of their meetings?
Not yet, but I'm interested. Want to check it out together?
Sure, why not?
Great job! Every day! Subscribe to Daily English Voices for more real-life English conversations.